All right, let's make some mouth-watering mutton kebabs right in your own kitchen. Trust me, this is easier than you think, and the results? Totally worth it. First, I grab half a kilo of fresh mutton mince. Into a big bowl it goes. 1 finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a handful of fresh coriander, mint leaves. Don't skip the mint. It gives the kebabs that fresh, vibrant kick. Now for the flavor bomb: cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala red chili powder, a generous squeeze of lemon juice, and salt to taste. Mix it all up with your hands. Yes, your hands. So every bit of mince gets coated in spice. The mixture should feel sticky. If it's too loose, a couple tablespoons of roasted gram flour will help bind everything together. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. You want all those spices to soak in and work their magic. Meanwhile, preheat your grill or tawa. If you don't have skewers, no worries, just shape the mince into little patties. Once your grill is hot, thread the mince onto skewers or lay the patties down. Cook on medium heat, turning occasionally, until they're browned and juicy on all sides. About 10 to 12 minutes. Brush with a bit of ghee for that signature smoky aroma. And that's it. Serve your mutton kebabs hot with onion rings, lemon wedges, and green chutney. The outside's crisp, the inside's tender, and the flavor? Absolutely irresistible. Try it out, and let me know how your kebabs turn out. Happy cooking!